Xpeng's new land aircraft carrier is a $276,000 van with a two-man quadcopter, and it thinks it can sell 10,000 of them a year. Xpeng wants to sell 10,000 models of its new land aircraft carrier a year, starting in 2025. The vehicle is a six-wheeled van with a quadcopter drone that can fit two people. The firm performed the vehicle's first public flight on Tuesday at the Zhuhai Air Show. Chinese EV maker Xpeng gave the public a first glimpse of its new land aircraft carrier in action on Tuesday, marking another step toward its ambition to bring flying vehicles to the mass market. The Tesla rival is offering a six-wheeled van with a two-man quadcopter stored in its rear for 2 million yuan, or about $276,000. Videos released by the firm's flying vehicle arm, Xpeng Huitian, showed the quadcopter automatically sliding out of the main vehicle and deploying. Another clip showed the van reversing to allow the quadcopter back in. Xpeng demonstrated the quadcopter in an uncrewed flight in front of a crowd at the Zhuhai Air Show, an annual Chinese aviation conference backed by the central government. The company said on Thursday that it received 2,000 orders at the air show after the demonstration, touting it as the largest order volume in the global flying car industry to date.